In this video, we will look at extension and configuration possibilities using SAP Field Service Management. We will start by installing an extension. I begin here in my extension directory, where I can view all of my available extensions. The filters allow me to view extensions in the directory by several different criteria. And now, by going to my installed extensions, I can view those extensions which are either active or inactive, and I also have the ability to add an extension. For demo purposes, we built a demo extension using ChatGPT to use Generative AI to summarize technician notes. Hence, I go through all the steps to add a new extension, and I select exactly where I would like this extension to appear within the solution. Once I finalize the location assignments, I can now activate the extension in my desired locations for productive usage. I do this by opening the extension configuration, and in this scenario, I would like to place the extension in the sidebar of my dispatching board. I select the extension, and after a few seconds, there it is. I close the extension directory, and now it's ready for use. Let's imagine a scenario where a technician has completed their work, but included some technician notes that are not entirely legible. By using the ChatGPT extension we installed, we can summarize technician notes and make them more legible, leading to enhanced communication and documentation for all parties involved. In dispatching work, I can use extensions that show me specifically which experts have worked on the related equipment and when, as well as linked applications like Microsoft Teams if I want to send a message or give them a quick call before making the assignment. I can do the same for skills, and after viewing this information, I make the assignment to Raoul Johns and I release the assignment. There are also several extension configuration possibilities for mobility as well. As a technician, it's key to have as much information as possible. Hence, I view which technicians have worked on the equipment prior to this job. I want a little bit more information on what was done in the past. So I reach out to Dean via Microsoft Teams and I organize a quick call. I can also link to external applications. Here I want to view the 3D product model viewer to view the equipment using augmented reality before arriving to the job. Similarly, I can use the 3D work instructions to help me with the equipment procedure that will take place. Many organizations have a wealth of knowledge base articles that their technicians need in order to perform effective service. By embedding a web container, I link to my company's knowledge repository and I search for the valve that I'll be fixing to get a bit more information and guidance on exactly what needs to be done. To further enhance the service process, we can embed augmented reality and remote assistance extensions within the solution. On the dispatching board, I have an extension to provide expert guidance and help troubleshoot issues remotely. Upon calling the technician, I can link to a virtual whiteboard, where I can see exactly what the technician is seeing. I take a snapshot of the equipment and I identify the part that needs to be replaced. I also archive the file so it shows up on the call log documentation. Returning to the original service call, an attachment PDF has been generated showing a summary of the remote assistance provided and all of the call details including photos.